tighten it up too much. Just let them run and get tired out. But don't try to reel if it's going out either, or it'll twist up your line. But don't let them slack too much either, because they'll try to spit it. You don't. It's going straight down in there.
Hey, little guy.
Here, don't mess with it, Brandon. You got my line. Here, reel that one in, Brandon. Reel that red one in a little bit, because that's what's on yours. That's what you caught. It might be around the motor and everything.
Yeah.
Just reel it up. Kinda. Hey Dalton, move your fish out of the way. Dad's gonna get hooked right in the butt. Okay.
Can I get him?
Don't reel if it's, yeah, I was gonna say don't reel if it's, you might have to tighten it up a little bit to reel some on them.
Wait.
Okay.
He's just sitting down there, man.
Saying like, don't mess with me.
It's like he went to the bottom. You see him pull?
Try to see.
Do flat.
No. He might be a good one.
Might be a big one. Probably sure.
Nah, that's a king mackerel. King-a-ling-a-ling. That's how they usually run.
They won't even fit in the bag.
Huh?
Straight down?
Well, I don't know about going straight down, but that's just the fast runs they took.
There you go.
I'm waiting for one to get tired.
Well, apparently he's not getting tired. You are.
Watch out, he's still there.
Yeah, just
Any
reel.
suggestions there, buddy?
Not really. I mean, I think he's just doing what he wants to do. Just when he gives it, when you can, reel down to it and then pull up. I mean, you might be able to tell, you know, how much drag you need to be able to. You don't want it so that
I can tell he's a big fish.
you want it to be able to still pull drag out a little bit. You might be able to put a little bit of extra tension on the reel itself when you're trying to reel it in. You know, just hand.
It's a big fish.
He was waiting for you. You can move that stuff out of the way if you need to.